want to change your font style in Roblox Mobile? This tutorial will show you the easiest way to use custom fonts in Roblox Chat, Bio, Display Name, and Profile sections. First, open your Play Store or App Store and search for a Fonts Keyboard app or fancy text keyboard. You'll find multiple options, so install any trusted app that allows stylish text and custom fonts. After installing it, open the app and enable the keyboard from your device settings. Once the keyboard is activated, open Roblox and go to the chat section, anywhere you want to type. Now, when you start typing, you'll see different font styles and fancy text options directly from your keyboard. Simply choose the font style you like and send the text or save it to your profile. Another method is using a Roblox Fancy Text Generator website. Open your browser and search for Roblox Fancy Text Generator. Then type the text you want to customize. You'll instantly see multiple stylish font options. Copy the one you like, go back to Roblox, and paste it into your chat, bio, about section, or display name. You can also change your system font style from your phone settings. Just open Settings, go to Display, then Font Style, and choose a different font. Some fonts may also appear currently works. At the moment, Roblox Mobile does not officially support changing font styles. However, Roblox may introduce this feature in a future update. So make sure to subscribe and stay connected with us for future videos and updates.